Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here another comparison review of two sport smartwatches. We have the latest, the P81 Smartwatch. And the other one, we have the DT99 Smartwatch, somewhat like a premium wearable with an affordable price. So this P81 is from Colmi and the other one is from DT1. So we are going to check the difference when it comes to the menus and features offered, as well as the design of both smartwatches. So if you are interested to see if what is the difference, watch this video. Again, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe, like, and share so that you will learn or know the latest smartwatches in the market. Again, this is Smartwatch Specifications YouTube channel. So alright, let's start and compare these two sports smartwatches. Again, on our left side we have the Colmi P81 Smartwatch, and on the right side we have the DT99 Smartwatch from DT1. So here are the packaging. As you can see here, obviously there's a huge difference when it comes to the packaging. We have the Colmi, we have the specs here. We don't have the specs, but we have some details on the features for the wearable. Okay, so simple packaging for the Colmi P81 compared to our DT99. Okay, for the design, obviously, as you can see here, the Colmi P81 is much smaller compared to our DT99. But both do have a sporty look. Minimalist for the Colmi P81, while for the DT99, it is somewhat a premium look design. Very slim body frame, metal body frame here, PC material at the back. While for our Colmi P81, we do have a unibody PC material. Okay, as you can see here, both do have a quick release pin for its strap. I think they have the same size, 20mm. So this one for our Colmi P81. So this power button here is for on and off only and return. While for our DT99, you can use this to change the watch face. AMOLED screen display for our DT99. While for the P81, we do have an IPS LCD screen. So when it comes to the screen display, go for the DT99. Okay, looks more premium. Okay, looks much better. Okay, so next, let's check on the UI. Maybe the features, menus and features much better than the Colmi P81 than DT99. Let's see. On top we have these settings here. Okay, almost the same when it comes to the features. Okay, on the bottom part we have the menus for our DT99, notifications here for our Colmi P81. On the left side we have the split screen menus for our P81. So different UI setup. And as you can see here, we do have the different cards. They're almost the same here. Anyways, the Colmi P81 do have a very good sensor when it comes to its heart rate. Okay, to access the main menu, swipe on the bottom part on the left side for our P81. So let's check what are the offered features here. Both do have a good icons here. Okay, very sharp icons, quality icons. Both do have a Bluetooth call, as you can see here. You do have a sports monitoring also, exercise for the Colmi P81. You have the heart rate, blood pressure also. Okay, blood oxygen. We have calendar. There's no NFC for our P81. We do have it here in our DT99. Stopwatch. We do have a time zone here. Weather report. You have GPS motion tracking. This is connected GPS. Voice assistant. We also have world clock here. If we do have a time zone here, we also have a world clock. So the same offering. Cycle tracking. We have flashlight. We have a, as you can see here, we have a compass, a built-in compass for DT99. So more features is available for our DT99, and it is using the Wear Pro app with the App Store. You can download several apps. Okay, not that much, but there's an option to download additional applications. For the settings, language support, as you can see here, they almost have the same features. Power saving mode. We do have a ringtone settings, phone call, video audio. There's no option to change. Yes, we do have it here, but only the mode and intensity. I think here with our Bluetooth call for the DT99 you can change it. Okay, message tone, somewhat like similar to a smartphone. Okay, what else do we have here? Language support we also have. Okay, going back to the sports function, let's check. We have a sports function. Later on we will check the heart rate if they have the same results. Sports, yes, we do have a sports. And exercise for our Colmi P81. So we have outdoor sports, although already categorized. So both do have a very comprehensive sports function. Again, the Colmi P81 is much affordable compared to our DT99. But both do have a comprehensive list of sports function. As you can see here. Add sports, let's see. So we have outdoor sports, trainings. So here are the categories. Okay, for the data that it can record, let's see. Sports. Let's go for the running. Outdoor sports, walk. Outdoor running. Start, let's see. Okay, so it monitors for the time, distance, steps, calories, and beats per minute. So the same sports metrics. And okay, so for the offered features, there's some just minor difference, as you can see. Okay, the DT99 and the P81, they almost have the same offered features with the new addition, okay, with the additional features for the DT99. But when it comes to screen display, it goes for our DT99 with its AMOLED, wide AMOLED screen display. And of course, obviously, the design. Okay, but when it comes to sports, they almost have the same offering. Okay, let's check the heart rate here. Where's the heart rate? We have the heart rate here. Do we have the same results? We'll get the same results or not? Let's see. Tracking beats per minute with a minimum and maximum. We have 81 beats, 84 beats per minute, 85, it's not dropping, 78, they have the same. Let's see if it drops to 76. They have different results here. I think it's now increasing. 74, 75. It is a bit slow for our DT99, but I think they have the same. Okay, 79. Okay, so the same results here, as you can see. The same heart rate monitoring when it comes to the accuracy. Okay, so that's it for the results or for the difference between the DT99 and our P81. Surprisingly, as you can see, they have the same heart rate monitoring results. For the sports, they have almost the same number of sports, or they have the same comprehensive list of sports function. Okay, but for the design and the screen display, very huge difference between the P81 and the DT99. The DT99 is much better. But if you want an affordable smartwatch and you don't care about the screen display, all you want is the heart rate as well as the sports, Colmi P81 is already okay. That's it for another comparison review of two sports smartwatches. If you have any questions, requests, drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Bye!